ข้าวมันไก่ first put rice and chicken blue, a little bit of water. This I will teach you for microwave, so first time try. And then put the chicken in those and then put in microwave. Yeah, the high power. First take for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, here is how it look like, and just stir it, okay, and then put in the microwave again. So put in the microwave and take another 8 minutes. 8 minutes, okay, for high power. After another 8 minutes, stir it again, but look good already, and should put in a microwave maybe 2 minutes more. No? The taste is good. After 2 minutes, then it's look like that. Okay, love you. Hope you enjoy ข้าวมันไก่